Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. A lot of you have been asking me, boss, can we get a free update where we are gonna make some money? Now guys, I bring a good news to you because that particular request from you guys is now on your table today. So what I need from you is just for you to stick around on this video and do not go nowhere. Avoid any distraction, because after exposing this particular money making platform to you, you are going to start making money free without even spending a dime. I don't know how cool is that. I don't know how that sounds good to you. Then you will know that after watching this video. So stick around on this video from beginning to the end and do not go nowhere. So guys, you're welcome back to the channel Smart Hustle YT. If this is your first time of checking across this channel, what I do here is to teach you due diligent ways of making money online and how to curtail online money wastage and scams, guys. So whatever I give you on this platform, take it seriously, because if you put in the work, you are gonna make money. All right, now this particular platform in front of me here, all right, if you do exactly the things I'm going to be telling you, which are very easy, you are going to be making money from this particular platform, okay, without spending anything. So make sure you follow me duly on this video. And remember, I am not a financial advisor. It is always, said, and it's actually true, that crypto involves a lot of risk because it is highly volatile. So make sure you make your own research and due diligence before interacting with anything I put out to you on my channel. But I am telling you that whatever I put out to you on my channel, I have checked it duly, and it has, give me some good level of conviction before I post it here on our darling Smart Hustle YT. So let's get started. Now guys, for you to get started with this particular platform, you need to first of all click the pinned link I put there on my comment section, and I might put it on the description box, but the most important thing is that I'm going to be leaving it on the comment section, and I'm going to be pinning it. Now when you click on it, you're going to land here. All right, you're going to land to the first registration part of the platform. The platform is EFSane. Okay, EFSane, guys. All right, so now to get started with this, what you're just gonna do is to do what you need to come to. Under this place you have phone number. Okay, let's contact it. Here you have phone number. All right, you're gonna click on it and search for Nigeria. Okay, all right, so that is it. Even if you don't see Nigeria, look at what you're gonna do. I just love this thing it did because it confuses a lot of people. You just search it on your own. Just scroll down like this. Scroll down and scroll down to the point you have N. We are going to see Nigeria now. Scroll down. So now this is Nigeria, guys. But remember, this is not only for Nigerians. Ghana can register on this, Cameroon can register on this, Kenya. In fact, this is almost worldwide. It's because I am registering from Nigeria. That is why I am using Nigerian number. All right, so what you're going to do is immediately you click on Nigeria. Because I have registered, I might not register again, so that's why I'm just gonna give you the steps of registering here. Now when you select Nigeria from here, then you come here and put your Nigerian number. All right, when you put your Nigerian number, you click on here. They are gonna send a code to you. You go and copy that code and put it here. All right, immediately you copy that code and put it here. Already my invitation code will be showing here. It will be very different from this. What am I even doing here, guys? Right here. Okay, this particular code 8L4ANB. all right, but my own will be different from this. My own will not be 8L4AN. It's just don't alter anything you see there. Anything you see there, just leave it, guys, and continue. Then this particular place, you put your password, you put confirm password, and you click on register. You click on register, guys. Okay, you click on register, and boom, it is registered. All right, now let me log into my account with immediate effect. All right, now immediately you get registered, okay, and then log in. This is how your interface is gonna look like. So there are a lot of things I'm gonna explain to you here. The first thing you need to know is that though this platform is very free to operate, like it doesn't require any capital to get started with, but it requires you to to refer, which is optional if you can deal with it. Because now there are certain things you need to know. Let me start explaining them one after the other, then you will understand what I mean when I tell you that you need to invite people for you to make money faster. And remember, there is another thing again I need you guys to know. You need to have your exchanges, which I know many of you watching this video might have had it, like Bybit, Binance, and the rest of that. That is where you're going to be receiving your payments, isn't it? That is it. And these people, they send USDT in ERC20 network, that is on Ethereum network. So you must have an exchange that supports Ethereum network address. You know that. So let us continue. Now, these are the rewards. You can even write it down on a paper for you to understand it better. These are the rewards that comes from this platform. Immediately you register, they are going to be giving you 2,000 diamonds, which is equivalent to gems. That is what they call gems. As you can see, if I scroll down here, you're going to be seeing, the gems I have already, gotten. Okay. As you can see, I have available of 20,400 gems. All right, and I have 2,000 frozen. What do I mean by that? Once you register on this platform, they're going to be giving you 2,000 gems, and it looks like diamond. You can also call it 2,000 diamonds or 2,000 gems. They are the same thing, guys. Now, in each referral you bring in, they're going to be giving you 1,000 gems. But if you don't want to refer anybody, you just want to be logging in daily, they are just going to be giving you only 100 gems. Do you understand that? Now, what is the value of this gem? The value of this gem is that 20,000 gems is equals to $2, or at least a little bit less than that, around $1.5, in fact, let's say from the ranges of $1.3 to $2. Though it fluctuates because this is crypto. Sometimes you might find like $1 and few cents. Okay, sometimes you might find $1.05. Sometimes you might find $2. Let's just give it from $1.3 because that is the least I have seen, because it is crypto, it goes up and comes down. And by the way, a lot of people might be wondering what this platform is. This is a new platform that want to bring in a particular airdrop. So they want people to register on this platform and mine these airdrops. And in the bid of that, they are dashing out money for you to be bringing people because they want the airdrop to be big. Do you understand that now? So that is it. Now let's get back to what I was saying. Now 20,000 diamond is equivalent of $1.3 to $2. Now for you to get this 20,000 diamond or 20,000 gems, you are just required to bring in about let's say about, after your 2,000 gems, you are just required to bring in about 18 people, 18 persons, guys. Okay, if you bring in 18 persons, you are going to be given 20,000 gems. And there is something a lot of people is saying. Some people says that you can re-register yourself, you can get other details and but I am not supporting this. There are some people that are saying that. I don't know how true is that. Okay, they say that you can register yourself for the rest of that, but though I am not in support of that, guys. I'm not in support of that. All right, I don't have to registrations, I don't have to account on this platform, and I am advising you to do the same. Just it is not that hard. It doesn't require anything. If you have a community, share it in your community. If you have your mothers, your brothers, your siblings, your relative, you can pick up their phone, register, tell them about it, and when you get like 18 registrations, you'll be given a whooping $2 or more. The last time I checked it, around yesterday, 20,000 gems was around $3.4. I told you guys that it fluctuates. Now that is it. But if you decide not to bring in any person and keep on signing in every day, because once you come to this platform, as you can see, just take a look at it. Just take a look at the interface of the platform. I hope you're seeing that. Now once you come into there, you come under this place, you have my gems. If you tap on it, sign in, you see login successful. As you can see, my available has increased from 22,400 to 22,800. Wow, that simply means that they have increased their signing. Definitely, currently I know that they might have increased their referrals too. One referral might have cost like 2,000 gems, and that is if you bring in just 9 persons, you are good to go. You'll be giving around from $1.3 to $3.4. It depends on the value it is at the current time of your withdrawing. And speaking of when they pay, they always pay around 9 p.m. daily. Like if you cross that particular threshold of 20,000 gems, you are going to be receiving your payment around 9 p.m. that day or the next day. Just wait between that day or the next day, you're going to be receiving your payment. Okay, so that is it. All right, now I am going to still share more to you guys. Maybe the next video coming from this video might be another mind-blowing platform where you can still, make big amounts of money. But before then, guys, I want us to milk this particular platform. You need to just invite lots of people. Let's just milk this particular platform. Okay, now looking at this WhatsApp, you can click here to join their WhatsApp community. Okay, you can also click here to join their Telegram community. Now look at their YouTube channel, but it's still on the pipeline. It is not yet I think it is not yet live. So but the only thing you can join here, from my own best knowledge, is their WhatsApp. I think they have 2 WhatsApp groups, or maybe they have created more. Their WhatsApp and their Telegram is very, very much active. Now there is one thing I want you guys to understand. All right, that is how to put in your address. Okay, it is somewhere here. Okay, just take a look at this place. You have airdrop address. All right, so now when you tap on this pen you are seeing under it, now it will show you your nickname, which you can change if you like. I can just clean this. All right, I can just clean this. Maybe I put in Emmy Bobo. All right, let me just put it too. Okay, then you come down here and put in your ERC20 address, the address they're going to be using to pay you every 9 p.m. once you cross the threshold. This is the intro. This place you have intro. You can write anything there, but it is very, very optional. Now join me. Let me go and get my ERC20 address. Now when you come to your exchange, and on this note I am using Bybit. You can use Binance, you can use any platform of your choice, but I am using Bybit here. Now when you come there, you click on your asset. Okay, once you click on assets, you then tap on deposit. All right, then deposit crypto. Now you deposit USDT. All right, then you choose ERC20. Then what you need to do is just copy here and head over to your platform, then click on here and then paste it in, and then click on confirm. So modified successfully. This is what you need, guys. Now when you look at the downmost part of your screen, you're gonna see news, quotes, and ranking and community. If you click on that community, you're gonna see those WhatsApp and Telegram community we have talked about, and the ranking and the rest of that. But where I want us to go before we end this video is where we have quotes. Okay, now when we go to quotes, you're gonna see that one text, because this particular airdrop is text. Okay, they're gonna be rewarding each individual that participated. This is not the last, even though they're paying you right now, but it's still not the last, because this is an airdrop that is still coming live. So you are still positioning yourself for the potential of that upcoming airdrop, and on top of that you are still making money. This is very, very marvelous. You are making money and still waiting for that airdrop to come to life. Okay, and just take a look at the current value. The value of one text is $0.000082. all right, and I knew as of last week this particular price is around $0.000053, something like that. And as you can see, it is going up every day. You now talk about when it is launched and being listed on a particular exchange, it can go as high as $1, making a lot of money for people that are positioning themselves. And the mind-blowing aspect of this is that you are positioning yourself and is still making money on top of it while we are waiting for that airdrop to drop. Wow, very, very nice, guys. Now finally, there is something you guys need to do here whenever you are due for payment. This is one of the most important aspects of this video. Now join me too. You see this particular place, we have menu. Look at its right hand side, you're gonna see this. All right, now tap on that drop down arrow, then go to where you have my assets. Now when you click on it, you're gonna be seeing this. You're gonna see deposit, withdrawal, transfer, flash swap. Just look at that flash swap over there, then you tap on it. As you can see, gem will be up, text will be down. Gem is what you have mined and text is the airdrop. So if you don't want to receive your money and want to just be converting it to airdrop, when the airdrop is finally launched, you make your money, it is left for you. But we want to make money in the first place, guys. So we tap on this DEX we have here and then select USDT, and on the gem you're gonna see maximum beside the gem up. As you can see from here, you have gem. If you look on top of it, you see from. So we are swapping from gem to USDT. Okay, on this gem you click on maximum. Okay, you are gonna be, just take a look at that, guys. You see that 20,000 worth of gem is around $3 now. Okay, that shows that what I'm telling you guys is actually true. So you then come down and click on confirm, then confirm it. Swap successful. Then look at this arrow over here, then click on it. All right, then you tap on withdrawal at this point, then select USDT and then click on max. Okay, All right, and then on the blockchain you click on there and you see only Ethereum, you select it, then put in your password. All right, then click on confirm. Then a verification code will be sent to the number you used in registering on the platform. All right, then you go and plug in that number and put it under this place you have verification code, guys. Immediately you do that, you click on this confirm over here, and boom, your money will be landed on your wallet. Now listen guys, sometimes this particular money lands immediately, but most of the times the one I have seen on most times is it lands around 9 p.m. in the night on that day or on the second day maximally. Okay, so sometimes it lands immediately on your wallet and sometimes it lands around 9 p.m. so that is it guys, but I don't want, because immediately I put in the verification code here, which I have received on my number right now on my second phone. This confirm will turn to a bright orange color. I can now click on it and the money will be shifted immediately to my wallet. But right now guys, I don't want to withdraw my money at this moment. Okay, I want it to reach around let's say around $20, $30, $50 before I can withdraw, at least a minimum of $20. All right, so this is where I'm gonna come to the last part of this video, and make sure you do your due diligence, and see you guys on the next one.